Well, we'll see how long this video camera will work. Here's the hummingbird feeder. I'm sure they'll be back in a minute. Funny thing is we have two of them, and one comes over here, gets on it, and hangs there for a while, and the other one shows up and sits just hovers right beside it, and they still fight, even though it's gale force winds out here. Actually, as you can see, over here is the dog pen for the next door neighbors. It's all over the yard. And then also my boat cover. That is history, I believe, this time. So
we have another weather watcher giving us some information from the Center, Texas. Jim Forbes, a name may sound familiar to you. He's telling us that there are trees down, power lines, and telephone poles and transformers as well that have been taken out by the weather.
Going back across. Alright, he's back. He just fought his way across the yard. Get this thing to focus in. And as you notice, it is like just blowing big time. But yet, it still needs to feed their family, so hanging out.